Morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. Let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. Before that, I would like to review what are the calls we given in the group. Yesterday, the data is bit mixed, evenly poised in the ratio and absolute figure, which means market will having all three results possible with 33.33% chances, so you must have to keep both options in hand. And we have a positive side pending target which was closed in the morning itself, and then the market has fallen down, but still it is not broken the key level. We had a negative side target which is in the negative around 0.91%, but still we specifically given that if the pre-opening is in the positive, the chances of hitting that level is 50-50. So that is the reason it was not hit, but market fall down half of the stage because of that 50-50. And the market started to fall down a bit, but still it is not gone expect to the level, but we still asked to hold put option till F&O closing, 10 points small put option, hero zero call, something like that, so that we want to wait till 3:15 p.m. But market has went down a bit but recovered in the last 30 minutes sharply, but still be holding some put options as well. In these combinations also we are still holding 18,000 put option and 18,250 call option, both combinations as well. And our specific pending target after it closed, still this particular bearish market stop loss not got it yesterday, so that is the reason we are holding the put option, because this yesterday high is around 18,112 something, so that is the reason we are holding that put option. Then market has fallen down heavily, but still we are not given any put options in hand, but we asked to add additionally one more combination, 17,750 PE at 12 to 13 euro zero call, and then this combination 18,150 CE as well as 18,000 PE. Why? Because we are expecting a downside target which is 1.49%, 80% day 1 second it came, which means if the pre-opening is in the negative, then we have a good chance to hit that particular level 1.49%. If the pre-opening is in the positive, then the chances might decrease, but at this point of time the SGX Nifty is heavy down, 126 points down at this point on. So we are still expecting this kind of put option to exit, because this particular 18,000 PE having a chance to go even 300 to 400 as well, because of we had a pending target, 1 month pending target which is 17,603. So if that particular level is reaching, then we had a good chance to reach 18,000 put option to go somewhere around 400. So next 2 days if the market is catching the bearish, then we had a good chance to reach that level. And let's go to the today's prediction. The data is showing this bit volatile with 2 bearish and 1 bullish, so which means it's still showing some kind of bearish, but we had a target of negative side which is in the bearish level 1.49%, 268 points and 17,775 it has a chance to reach. But at the same time we have a pending target which is 17,603 around this support level 8, so 2.44% up to 404 points also chance if the market is breaking heavy, and then it might go rapidly negative side as well. So that is the reason we are holding those kind of put option, but still we given 3 kind of stages to exit for the safe exit as well. So up to this level PT2 to NT2 around 451 points it has a chance to go in the negative side. Positive side which is 121, that is the reason we are holding some small call option as well. So these are the stages. The stable market can be seen around 132 to 264, so the downside is there. If anything go positive, then only the market will having the chances to go. But the SGX Nifty is showing gap down is possible around 120 or 100 points or 130 points in the gap down, so we are expecting to reach 1.49% in the negative side. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.